Hello, fellow nail techs, nail students, and those of you who simply love caring for your own nails from the comfort of home. I'm pleased to have you here. Let's jump right in. In this tutorial, I'll be transforming this simple folding table into this beautiful nail working space. I've had this set up at home for a couple of years now for content creating and practicing new designs in nail art, but I took down my setup to show you all step by step how I completed the process from start to finish. I purchased my folding table at Walmart for less than $40. My table measures around 4 feet by 2 feet, but they do have a few different sizes available. I also got this decorative table cover at Walmart. It was around 20 bucks. They had quite a few color choices available, and I almost picked a pink one, but they all were so cute. The decorative cover is a great way to add beauty and personal style to the folding table. Next, you have to add protection to the cover to prevent stains and other accidents. I chose plexiglass because it's cheaper than glass and gave me the same look without paying more. Plexiglass is also very light, which makes it a better option for portability. This is also a great option if you're setting up for an outdoor event and you want something more than just a bare table. Now, I personally don't need an armrest for my setup at home due to the fact that I don't service clients at home. My setup is only for creating content and for practicing. You will need to purchase an armrest for your clients if you intend to perform services. They definitely need to feel comfortable. The next thing you'll need to pull this setup together is a table lamp. And again, I purchased this item at Walmart. A great way to make a nail table pop is to add some sort of polish holder and add other important items to it that you use frequently. The polish holder gives you quick and easy access for certain items, and we all love convenience. Here, I'm showing you my must-have basics for my nail table, starting with my powder and monomer dish. Next is my cute little holder for brushes. I have my nail drill and easy reach beside my powder and monomer dish. Next is my dust collector and also my UV light. Here are two items I use a lot for practicing new designs in nail art. I like this one because it mimics a real hand, but I also like this one because I can do more. If you found my video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and save. Also, share it with someone who could also benefit. Until next time,